Today I'm answering the question, how do you install a program on your computer? Now, there's one of two ways to do this, and the very safe and simple way would be simply going down here to the Start button, going over here to Microsoft Store, or if you can't find it, just typing for it in there, and then simply going to the store, going to the apps section on this left hand side, finding the app or program, both the same thing, that name means the same thing, and finding what you want, clicking on it, for example, this, and then clicking this to get it and add it to your computer. But let me show you a different example. If we just go to how you use to browse the internet, so such as Google Chrome, then you go through google.com to search for your program that you want. So say I have a very specific program in mind. So this is Canva. This is just an artistic program. Now we're going to walk through the steps here. So I simply go to this website, click the button to add it to our computer. There will be a pop-up up here on the top right when it's downloaded to my computer. So what I just did is basically took the files from this website and put them on my computer. And then if I simply click right here, then we'll get started installing it. Now, alternately, since we just put the files on your computer, you could also go down here to the File Explorer and then the Downloads folder to find this. But we're just going to click right here. Now, what that's going to do is should open up like a step-by-step walkthrough to actually install it. It's kind of like if you had something that was shipped to your house, it's downloaded to your computer, but you have to install it. You have to set it up. So that's what we're doing right here. Now I clicked on that and that should have opened, but if it doesn't, we could always come down here to the downloads, see this, and just double click that to open it and see right away it says installing. Now, it just did all of that for me, actually. So if you see there was like a very brief thing where it said installing. I just kind of went through and double clicked to open those files, and now it's installed. Now this automatically popped up when it was done installing, so we can start using the program. But let me just make this smaller and show what happened here. So on the desktop, we had an icon that popped up for Canva, and now this program is actually installed and ready to use. So this is the program. We can get into it and start using it and making new designs. So that program is actually now on our computer. Now that is how you install a new program on your computer. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.